Guys, what is up? It's Reese Taft, so back with another video. Today's video, I'm just going to start off by saying I'm so appreciative of all those who have been subscribing, and I appreciate all of you who have been giving me comments and suggestions for what I should do to make my videos better. Appreciate all of it, and I thank you. But let's move into this video. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about public profiles, but how to use yours to the best of your ability. Now, a public profile I've made many videos about and how you can get one or who's getting them, but this is going to tell you how you can use your public profile and the things about a public profile that you can and cannot do. So let's get right into this. So as you can see on screen right now, I'm deleting the public profile because you can delete your public profile and still get it back. There will then be a suggest where you can go on Spotlight, or you can hit the three dots and create a new public profile. Once you create a new public profile, it will give you a prompt to set up your profile. So now that you're setting up your profile, you want to give yourself a profile picture that shows you off as a whole. So you want something that's going to show you as someone who you are, not just some random blank screen. You want to actually sell yourself. You then want to do a bio. Make sure you use all 150 characters. Now for this prompt I didn't because I was doing a video, but when you do this, try and sell yourself. Tell who you are, what you do. Give a call to action asking them to subscribe. Now you can also make highlights. Highlights are a way for you to show what you're all about and show different parts of your life or different parts of your Snapchat that you guys are doing on the daily or what you guys show off on your story. So make sure you create a few highlights for people to look at and name them. Make sure the pictures for them are very high quality and don't look crappy because you don't want people looking at crappy quality images. Otherwise, they aren't going to stay subscribed or they aren't even going to subscribe in the first place. Now, if you make lenses, it will also show the lenses that you make in most popular order. So now that you have your public profile set up, what is this doing for you? Why should you even have a public profile set up? A public profile is for whenever you post to Spotlight, you will then have people that look at your profile and be like, wow, he's actually pretty cool. He posts some cool stuff. I'm going to subscribe to him. Or she's pretty cool. She posts some cool stuff. I'm going to subscribe to them. So that is what a public profile is for. So you can create an audience, grow, and once you grow big enough, you'll then be able to get a creator profile and you can then post your story. As of right now, you cannot post to a public profile story because a public profile is not a creator profile. Once you have a creator profile, you then can post your story. Now, some people have been asking me, what am I supposed to post to Spotlight? Now, my answer to this is stuff that actually is relevant. Don't be posting random videos. Don't be posting stuff that's crappy quality. Post something that you actually took your time to create. Now, I'm going to give you an example on screen. As you can see, this is a So Satisfying video. It's a very simple video that I took a few years back, but when you posted it with the hashtag So Satisfying or Satisfying, this will then get on the Satisfying page and get out there. If you also want to do animal videos, you also have to use hashtags for animals. Whenever you're posting a video to Spotlight, you want to use hashtags that are relevant. Sometimes I like to use the hashtag viral because it does blow up then. Now, not every single snap is going to be accepted to Spotlight. You need to know that probably about 1 out of 10 snaps will be accepted to Spotlight if you don't know what to be posting. So make sure you know what you're posting. Try not to post other people's content because if that blows up and that other person finds out, you could get in trouble for content stealing. So just try to post your own content. Make your own content. You can do stuff from YouTube that's not copyrighted. So try and post all the stuff you can so people will want to subscribe to you and they'll click on your profile once they see this. Let's say you post that So Satisfying video and people are like, wow, I actually like this. They would click on your profile and then they'd see that you have a profile. And if you show different things that they like, they'll then subscribe to you. Alright guys, that's everything for today's video. I answered a few questions that I've been getting a lot recently. I hope this helped you out. And as for the 10,000 subscribers, you'll get the creator profile. I have recently been informed that that is not true. So I just wanted to put that out there. I appreciate all of you who have been supporting me and I'll see y'all in the next video.